Pizza, pizza, 2 claps go. Cheesy, melty, now you know. Say it slow, then say it quick. 2 small beats, it's a tasty trick. Kitten, soft and sweet. Tiny paws and tiny feet. Bounce your hands like kitty ears. 2 quick beats for kitten cheers. Clap, clap, tap, tap, break it down. Syllables are all around. Clap, clap, tap, tap, sing and play. Break the words in a silly way. Watermelon, 4 claps, wow. Juicy fun inside a boat. Slice it up and clap along. 4 big beats in the silly song. Elephant, 3 claps, go big. Stomp around like a giant pig. Wave your arm just like a trunk. 3 beats make it elephant funk. Clap, clap, tap, tap, break it down. Syllables are all around. Clap, clap, tap, tap, sing and play. Break the words in a silly way. Candy, sweet delight. Clap, clap, rainbow colors shining bright. Clap and wiggle, twist and spin. Candy beats that make you grin. Potato, 3 claps, hooray! Smash it, let's all play. Roll like spuds across the floor. 3 beats calling, clap some more. Clap, clap, tap, tap, break it down. Syllables are all around. Clap, clap, tap, tap, sing and play. Break the words in a silly way. Hamburger, 3 claps, nice! Stack the bun and add some spice. Build it tall and clap with pride. 3 fun beats on every side. Pencil, clap, clap, right. Clap, clap. Scribble shapes with all your might. Draw a smiley, make it fun. Syllable claps for everyone. Clap, clap, tap, tap, break it down.